Hilton brand. It is not beachfront hotel, but it is in the middle of action. I'm going inside to check in and I will show you everything. Let's go. This is the entrance. Wow, it looks like a royal. Yeah, it is really busy. They have a brasserie here, you can get a coffee. I'm going to check it. Nice area. Oh, check the cakes. Beautiful. Hello, sir. Hello. Some more cakes here. I'm already in a room. This is room 1505. We got upgraded to executive room. Unfortunately, we don't have access to executive club lounge. We can go there with 25% discount. So I will see if we go or not. But let's check the room first. I love this style. Starting here, check the wardrobe. Wow, it's amazing. We have safe, some storage, hard dryer. Nice. Plenty of storage. Perfect. Here is a bathroom. Check this gold handle. Toilet. One sink. Amenities. A shower. It's big enough. Yeah. Nice and clean. And a bathtub. Again, nice and clean. Yeah. Let's go to the room. We have actually a living room here. TV, welcome. Oh, we got some snacks. Nice. Really nice. Beautiful. And here is the bedroom. Nice big bed. Another TV. Beautiful. The view. Yeah, there is nothing to see, but it's fine. Yeah, not too bad. Here is executive club. You can go inside and have some drinks and some snacks. You can get happy hours here from 6 to 8 p.m. They have selection of wine or some spirits, and you also get a canapes for free. Here is the pool area. It is open from 8 a.m. till 7 p.m. Really nice area. Wow. Oh, here is something else. Tiny pool. Oh, it's a jacuzzi. Wow. That's good. So here is the gym. Wow, that's actually big enough, not too bad. I like the size of the gym, yeah. Pretty good. And it's open from 8 a.m. till 10 p.m. Nice. I'm checking out from Royal Rose Hotel in Abu Dhabi. It was nice stay, short. I stay here just for one night, but yeah, I think it's like a lower 5-star hotel. It wasn't that expensive. We paid £80 for a night. We got complimentary breakfast, so it was without breakfast, and yeah, well, definitely don't expect like 5-star hungry person 5-star service